Yo. What you mean driving on ice? Yeah, I'll go. Sure, yeah. Yeah. See you.
We got the check engine for low oil.
Tylko łapa by się przydała.
To jest tak średnio.
Tyle ja.
Ale jest klimacik, co?
O, siema. Siema. The truck is fine. It's very fun, even on a passenger seat, but we have a bit of problem. The second time we were going around, we got the check engine for low oil, so we're going to ask our friend if he has some. Rozkit. Damn. Jasol.
Ale 5W30 taki jaki powinien być.
Tyle dobrego. Yeah, we're fine this time. You know, it's pretty peaceful out here. Car content and everything, but sometimes you gotta appreciate some nature, you know, and everything. Yeah, anyways, yo, look at this.
Hi everyone, it's me again. I have somehow made it to the end. Thank you. I know this video is very chaotic and lacks a lot of narration and everything. I'm working on it, and that's exactly why this video even goes out to the world. Because you know, with all my other videos, one thing that is similar between them is that I don't talk enough in them, I don't show my face. Really, it's just action over and over with no like story. And this is what I have tried, and of course I forgot a million times to show myself, which is, you know, you see it's like 30 seconds of me talking sometimes about nothing important. I'm not really happy with this video, to be honest, and I think normally I wouldn't post a video like this, but I figured that I need to learn a lot of things, and experimenting and trying is something that is the only way that I can progress to the forward. If you somehow have liked this video, then please subscribe, leave a comment what you think I could do better, and see you next time.